Using this lotion consistently alongside consistent exfoliation is going to give you a glowing and polished caramel skin tone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to mix lotions for caramel skin tone. The truth is that no matter how popular skin lightening or skin whitening is, there are still some people out there who do not want to alter their skin tone, who just want to make their skin glow and look healthy and polished. So this video is for my dark to caramel skin tone ladies that want their skin to look radiant, healthy, beautiful, polished, glowing and all that. For a lotion to give you this rich tone, this tone that looks like you have money, not that kind of skin tone. For a lotion to give you that kind of rich skin tone, that kind of beautiful skin tone, it needs to have ingredients that moisturize, hydrate and tones the skin. As a dark skin lady or as a caramel skin tone lady, you want your skin to glow, you want your skin to look polished. This is how you mix your lotion.
To make this lotion, you will need the following products. The first product you will need is the Nivea Cocoa Butter. If you don't have the Nivea Cocoa Butter, you can use the Vaseline Cocoa Radiant Lotion or the Jergens Shea Butter Lotion. These lotions are very moisturizing and leaves your skin feeling and looking radiant and soft without damaging your skin in any way. There is no side effects at all. Then the next product you need to add to this lotion is your Moroccan Argan Oil with vitamin C. This is a very good oil that is very healthy for the skin. It can be used by all skin tones and it is an excellent skin moisturizer. The presence of vitamin C in this oil makes it very healthy for the skin. This oil is very good for anti-aging and also helps to fade off skin discoloration. Then the next product you'll be adding to this lotion is glycerin. Glycerin is very great for the skin because it helps to moisturize the skin and also smoothens the skin. It increases your skin's hydration, relieves dryness and also helps refresh the skin's surface. Using ordinary vegetable glycerin can make your end product, can make the final product as your lotion be a bit too sticky. This also depends on the quantity that you use. In as much as you're trying to glow and maintain your caramel or hot chocolate complexion, you do not want to get darker and you don't want your skin looking dull. For that reason, you'll be adding the carrot whitening glycerin. This glycerin does not whiten the skin. It is simply a vegetable glycerin that was infused with carrot extract. So what you will get from adding this to your lotion is a soft toned caramel skin, a caramel skin that everyone will wish they have. The next product you'll be adding to this lotion is bao oil. I know a lot of you might have heard about bao oil or used it at some point. Bao oil is packed with a lot of powerful natural oils that assist in skin elasticity and skin renewal. Bao oil has been clinically proven to help repair damaged skin and fade away scars. It is a very good moisturizer that works naturally to improve the appearance of uneven skin tone. The final ingredients you will need for this product is vitamin E oil. This is the type of vitamin E oil that you should get. Do not use the capsule vitamin E oil or the one you buy from an organic store. For the purpose of this lotion, use this vitamin E oil. As a skin moisturizing oil, vitamin E oil helps to lock in your skin's natural moisture and contributes to a smooth, soft and radiant complexion. Vitamin E oil is also an antioxidant that helps to protect your skin from damage.
Let's say for example you are making 400 ml lotion for a caramel skin tone. This is what you'll be needing. You'll be needing Nivea Cocoa Butter 280 ml. Nivea Cocoa Butter Lotion 280 ml. Then you'll be needing Moroccan Argan Oil with vitamin C 50 ml. Then also the lightning carrot glycerin, you need that 50 ml. Then you need the bao oil 15 ml. Then the last ingredient you need is vitamin E oil. I already explained the type of vitamin E oil you should get don't get the capsule, get the one I showed you guys the picture some minutes ago. This is how you mix your caramel lotion for a glowing, super hydrated, moisturizing, soft toned skin. So this is how you mix it. You pour your Nivea cocoa butter lotion into a bowl. You add your Moroccan argan oil with vitamin C and stir properly. You can stir with a hand mixer or a wooden spoon, depends on the one you have in the house. Then you add your glycerin and bar oil and mix again. After that, the last thing you add is your vitamin E oil. I already told you guys the vitamin E oil to get. Add the vitamin E oil, mix properly, mix until all the ingredients incorporate into each other. Then you pour it back into your jar and seal properly. Please make sure that your environment is clean when making these products. Make sure your environment is clean. Make sure all your tools, your mixing bowls and spoons and mixers are properly sanitized so that you do not introduce bacteria into your product. This lotion is very effective for caramel skin tone, tested and trusted. This lotion is going to help your skin glow and give you this soft toned skin. The way to get the best out of this lotion is to exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll be saying bye-bye to dull skin. Using this lotion consistently alongside consistent exfoliation is going to give you a glowing and polished caramel skin tone. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.